Hello and welcome to the HGC Gamers Club. My name is Daniel for those of you tuning in for the first time. But this video is mainly for my regulars. I need you guys' help. Okay, straight up, this is no joke. Tomorrow I will be making a video showing, unfortunately, what the makers of the PlayStation game systems are doing. You're talking about an estimated $100 million per manufacturing facility upgrade on their game systems to intentionally prevent home repairs, cleaning, and or maintenance by any individual. No joke. Intentional sabotage of their own game system manufacturing processes so that your game systems will die early, so that you will be forced to replace your consoles every time. It is disgusting. And I just couldn't wait to actually make the video before I told you guys about this. Tell a couple of your friends. I'll have that video up hopefully by the end of the day tomorrow, definitely before this weekend. I'm going to show you extreme close-up views and explain exactly what they did to monopolize on their game system, to make it less repairable by you, make maintenance by you harder in an intentional attempt to keep their game systems dying off faster, and explain exactly why the changes they made to the system is absolutely not an attempt to save money. I think I might be rambling on at this moment. I am so disgusted. Seriously, I think everybody who owns a PlayStation should boycott PlayStation and go to Xbox for a while. Show Sony that we want a game system that is repairable, not disposable. I'll show you this video tomorrow or sometime before this coming Friday, which will be February 9th. So that video will be posted up sometime between now and February 9th. But oh my God, I never thought I would see this in a game system. So if you're considering buying a PlayStation right now, I would highly recommend you wait until after the 9th and watch the video that I'm about to put out, because seriously, some of you guys are just flat gunning. We really do need to get a petition going and raise some funds to demand that Sony not be allowed to do this in any future game system. Make certain that Xbox or Microsoft cannot follow the same path, and potentially even bring about a class action lawsuit for everybody who got this particular game system model out to have their systems replaced. It is, oh my God, moment of you have got to be seriously kidding. Until I get that video up, stay safe, happy gaming everybody.